Well, it's time to pack. So it's actually really early in the morning on Friday, and my tripod is a little bit crooked, so it's probably whole video is going to be a little sideways. Shouldn't even say that. You wouldn't even know, right? I'm just going to run through this super quick, I hope, of what I am bringing. Oh, first of all, what I usually wear on the plane is something super comfy and casual. I'm going to wear a little bit more heavy sweats so that way they're not in my bag. And plus it's going to be super early in the morning and I may be a little chilly on the plane. And then a tank top. So besides the jacket that I wear on the plane, I bring this sweater, which pretty much goes, since I bought it, almost on every trip. I think maybe I left it one time, and I missed it because it's great. It's super lightweight, and it has just like, if I wanted to tie it up. I have some pictures from a long time ago from an old video where I have it, but I don't know if I'll be able to find them before I put this video up. But super comfy, and you could just throw it over anything. I typically like to wear shorts and lightweight tops, and just having a nice little sweater to throw over in case I get a little chilly. Shoulders get chilly, I get a little bit of pain from arthritis, and this just works out kind of nice. The other thing is one long sleeve shirt. This is a little bit of a thicker shirt, which I'm not used to really bringing, but I feel if I'm only going to have one thick item, then I'll bring it as a long sleeve shirt. So I'm going to bring a thin pair of like legging, jeans, jeggings, whatever you want to call them. They're super cute and comfortable. They'll stretch if I need to stretch. And I can wear them with these little bit longer tops that I have on. And I really do like to be able to have some of these longer items to be able to wear with these. This also can actually double up as a little swimsuit cover up, because it's really long, and I really do like the fact that you can be a little versatile. Like I wear it to dinner one night, and then maybe the next day if I went to the beach I could throw this on. That takes care of, you know, like kind of like double duty, so I don't have to bring too many items. And then my plan is just to wash my plan is just to wash my clothes in between the two cruises. So you'll see that this is very scaled down. Workout clothes, I don't plan to really work out. I may go walk early in the morning, may walk in the middle of the night, I don't know. But I like to have at least a pair of leggings and just one little like dry fit workout top. You can also wear this on excursion. Dries really fast. It's really nice to have. Most of my bathing suits are shorts with a, you know, top, like it's a two-piece. And if I just wear the shorts, I've noticed that I really don't have to have a cover up or anything. I can just throw on a shirt over it and it looks like I'm wearing shorts and a tank top. So I think that is kind of my go-to, where I don't have to have a lot of items anymore. But I usually try to keep these together. Hey! I am going to bring just one dress for fancy night. This is a dress I haven't worn before, so I thought maybe I'll bring it. I haven't worn it in a very long time, so I hope I still like it. And then I'm going to bring 2 blouses, 3 other tank tops, and 3 pairs of shorts. The shorts will mix and match with my blouses, and I can wear them to dinner with some nice sandals in my blouse. I think it'll be fine. I think anybody cares what we wear, right? And I bring 1 t-shirt. This is typically what I wear on what do you call it, embarkation day. I'll just wear my t-shirt, pair of shorts, sandals. For my shoes, I'll be wearing my Eurosoft black sandals, and that'll pretty much be the only shoes that I'll be wearing to dinner. Could be wearing them around, but I always bring 2 pairs of flip-flops, and the reason is because if one breaks, I have another one. This is very important to me because I have had them break, and then I've had to buy sandals. So, or flip-flops. So 2 pairs of sandals. So this is a pair, and then I have and then I have a like blue pair here. So those are the things I'm bringing. I'm going to pack this. Oh, it's gotta come off. Okay, this is one of my favorite shirts that I've ever bought on a Carnival cruise. And this was on the Radiance. Alright. Now this, it's all zipped up. Oh. Forgot. Okay, and a couple pairs of pajamas. There we go. Don't know if this is going to compress down, but we're definitely going to find out. Oh, forgot my dress. Alright, and don't forget, if you want to see these upcoming adventures of me wearing all these darn clothes, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, those are the clothes. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to put my shoes inside the zipper thing and zip this up. Alright, this goes in here. My bra, underwear, socks. That goes there. My flip-flops are in here. Let's see. I do have like a little hole right here that I could put something in, but I want to be able to maneuver this stuff around a little bit. I don't know if I'll put anything in here because it's pretty well packed down. For this side, I have my kind of catch-all thing that'll push down in here. Then I have my charger. I'm going to put actually these down over here. These are my water shoes. I'm going to put this over here. Anything where I have a little more room on the opposite side, where this side is pretty packed, I'm going to put a little bit smaller things. I'm going to put my makeup here. This is going to go here. It's nice and soft. It'll pack down. I was going to take my little boat shoes, which I actually really do love these. And I'm still going back and forth on this. I don't know if they will fit. I just don't think they will fit. My hairstyler is going to go in my underseater, which you'll see in a minute. So sometimes even when you're doing like a packable item, it's better, it's easier if you just kind of throw it in here than packing it up. See how much flatter that will be if you just leave it to chance. That. Like this. So if you're wondering if I took any items out, I did. I actually switched out a blouse for a thinner blouse. This is actually one that I really do love, but if I'm going for my home port, I'm actually able to pack a little bit more because I could extend this side of my suitcase and actually, because I don't have to worry about bringing it on as a carry-on on a flight. Oh, I could bring a little bit more in here. I took out a tank top and I took out my biking shorts. Now, will I try to fit it in here? Maybe. I have that little tiny hole I think I can roll my... Won't take the blouse, but I can take these. So, and then I decided to switch up my dress. This one's rather thick, and while I can take it on a, again, it's one of those items where if it's a little bit thicker and I'm going from my home port, it's fine. But if I'm flying, not so fine. Also, I took out a second cover up because I figured I don't really need two of them. And I really do like the black one I have. Plus, I have those button ups that I can also use as a cover up. Boat shoes. Those are the only things that may not go if they don't fit inside. So, let's zip this puppy up. So my carry-on, I'm going to see if these little boat shoes will fit in there. Plus, I'm also taking my flip-flops in here. And then I'm also taking, whoops, I got all poofy. There we go. Let me see if these will stack in here on the side. Let's try to get them in here like that. On this side, I have jewelry and I have my passport and wallet. On this side, I have my medication, wet wipes, and antibacterial. I don't have, what do I have in here? Breath mints. On this side, I have my knee brace, and I throw in my little grip. And on this side, I put my water bottle. Also in here is the one of the power banks that are on the, it's on the inside pocket. And that is it. So that is everything I'm going to take this time. Again, I will be washing clothes in between. Can hand wash in my little liquids bag. I have a little packet of Tide laundry soap, and I've done it in the sink and hung it up, and everything works out fine. I think if you do it like that, you can keep it up and keep, hang it up in the shower or wherever. So it works out pretty good. Anyway, alright, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a little like, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Have a great day.